All-in-one computers are great because they take up less room than PC towers, and at the same time they offer more screen space than most laptops. These are the best all-in-one computers you can buy today. Lenovo Idea Center 520 27 inches, an attractive and sleek design, a sharp and responsive touch display with a strong Core i7 performance. The Acer Aspire C24 is an inexpensive all-in-one computer, a bestseller now on Amazon. The S24 is also inexpensive. It's a very slim and elegant display, and comes with a built-in wireless charging pad. But if you want more performance, a touchscreen and loads of storage, the Acer Aspire Z24 is probably your best choice.
There's always too much to do at home, so get a helping hand from Acer's Aspire Z24 all-in-one computer. 2 digital assistants are ready to help you. With far-field technology and 4 digital mics, you can give instructions from anywhere in the room. Get help with homework, look up recipes, and check your to-do list wherever you are. When it's time to get hands-on, it's a pleasure to interact with the borderless 10-point touchscreen. Effortlessly switch between apps with ease. The Full HD IPS screen gives you perfect color and brightness for watching movies or creating perfect photo memories from any angle. Acer's eye-protecting technologies mean you can enjoy these incredible colors and comfort. These great features make the Z24 a perfect home computer. There's no limit to what a family can do, working separately or coming together.
The HP Elite One is a beautiful 4K display. It is a very silent computer. It has dual webcams that slide back in the display when not in use, and it has the great ability to easily upgrade the internal components when needed. With an incredible 4K Infinity Edge display and the speedy AMD Ryzen processor, the Dell Inspiron 27 inches offers a compelling set of features at a great price. The newest Apple iMac 27 inches is a wonderful machine with a stunning 5K screen and build quality. It now includes USB-C with Thunderbolt 3, is one of the best for photo or video editing. The iMac was designed for people who spend their time working with computer software. If you just want the work done, the iMac will give you fun. HP Envy 34 Curved. A gorgeous all-in-one computer with 34 inches widescreen display, with Intel Core i7 processors, USB-C with Thunderbolt 3, HDMI ports and excellent audio.
We were inspired by the dynamic elegance of floating glass. The challenge was maintaining the beauty of something so thin and fluid without sacrificing any of the performance and power we desired. This led us to separating all components that weren't directly powering the display itself, and engineering them into the base. The result is one of the thinnest all-in-ones ever made, 34-inch curved screen has a micro-edge border on all four sides, creating an illusion that is floating in mid-air. The visual impression is starkly beautiful, the impact immediately immersive. The result is an all-in-one product with refinement to complement any environment. We amplified performance with industry-leading Intel Core processors and sped-up data transfer with Thunderbolt technology. We engineered some exceptional capabilities into it, like the HP privacy camera. It tucks nicely behind the screen. And with a simple push, it displays both camera and microphone for you. It delivers a degree of privacy when the camera's not in use. And with up to 16 gigs of RAM and storage options ranging from hybrid drive to SSD, you have all the power and space you need to stream videos, game, and browse the web. With optional discrete graphics from NVIDIA and HDMI in and out, as the world's widest curved all-in-one, with an Ultra WQHD display at nearly 5 million pixels, and audio custom-tuned in collaboration with the experts at Bang & Olufsen. The new Envy is entertainment at its best. Quad HP speakers with audio dial let you adjust volume and skip songs with a touch of a finger, while passive radiators produce more bass for sound that you can feel. It's a one-of-a-kind user experience, inside a device with a real sense of its surroundings. The new HP Envy Curved All-in-One reinvents how form embraces performance, empowering its user and advancing the modern home.
The Dell XPS 27 All-in-One includes a 4K touchscreen display, superb audio, excellent graphics and computing power for multimedia performance.
Really, we were looking at what is it that we can do in this space that's a little disruptive, that really pushes technology to its limits.
What we were looking for was to take the best possible commodities we could get our hands on, an amazing 4K Adobe RGB display with 10-point touch for full desktop performance, combining that with an audio solution that actually matched that level of quality. Being able to get some sort of an emotional response from the customer from an audio perspective, that was something that hadn't been done before in the industry. We knew that we needed some expertise in the audio field, so we turned to Hollywood. We went to Jack Joseph Puig, 11-time Grammy Award winner, to get his insight and deliver the best all-in-one on the planet.
When Dell came to me, our goal was to make an all-in-one that had the absolute best from every angle. You know, watching a film or watching television, listening to music, you could do anything you want. I actually went through these 72 iterations of pushing, rejecting, redesigning, everything you can imagine. We tried passive crossover, active crossover. We tried different speaker configurations. We tried different kinds of amplifiers, different kinds of voltages, before I heard something that made me feel that the sound I chase every day was now coming out of those speakers. The XPS 27-inch all-in-one has 10 speakers, 6 that front fire, 2 that down fire, which has never been done before, and 2 passive radiators. Those 10 speakers are what give you the immersive sound. And what I'm really excited about is to be able to deliver the best experience I can, so that when it gets to your living room, it's actually what we were using. No matter what you choose to do with the XPS 27-inch all-in-one, I promise you, it will be an amazing experience.
Microsoft Surface Studio, an elegant all-in-one digital creation solution, fast performance and accurate touchscreen and a super thin display, a capable all-in-one computer for artists and designers. performance from the Intel 8th generation processors and GeForce graphics, a beautiful 4K display on a sturdy flexible stand, a strong audio output and connectivity options. With the same stunning 5K display, gorgeous design in space gray color, the Apple iMac Pro is the combination of beauty and computing power. The Dell Precision 5720 all-in-one computer is a responsive 4K touch display with heart-pounding audio, excellent graphics and performance, is an exceptional multimedia editing platform. And these are